paralyzing blizzard continues in southeast and south-central Wisconsin. Even though blizzard warnings remain in effect and most roads are impassable over a wide area due to 5 to 10 foot drifts, we are receiving reports of people attempting to commute to work this morning. A civil danger emergency has been issued by the state of Wisconsin EOC across southern Wisconsin. Interstate 43 is closed from Milwaukee to the Illinois border. Interstate 94 is closed from Milwaukee to the Illinois border. We anticipate that maximum drifts of 10 to 15 feet are possible from Milwaukee to Mukwonago to Elkhorn north-south. Up to 2 feet of additional snow has fallen in this area. We have numerous reports of stranded motorists, and these numbers are actually increasing. Given that even National Guard vehicles are stuck in the snow, the situation is certainly life-threatening. Even as the snow lets up during the morning, the huge drifts that are blocking all roads make them impassable to anything except perhaps snowmobiles. Emergency vehicles may not be able to reach stranded motorists for some time.